I have this tooth and I want to create other 4 teeth. So I use a circular pattern. I click circular pattern. Okay, this is the axis. The future is the tooth. Okay, and I click OK. I can make these 5 teeth also with faces. So I edit feature. Okay, cancel this one and choose the faces. This face, this face, this face, and this face. I click OK, and the piece is done. But now I can create in a different way. So I cancel this one, I click and cancel. Okay. And I cancel this one. Click edit sketch. And now I use extruded cut. Okay, I select this one, and this one. I click OK. Now, if I use a circular pattern, I use circular pattern. I use the axis. Okay. I use cut extrude, but now happen this one. There is no teeth, so this is wrong. So to make the 5 teeth, I can edit feature. I can't use future cut extrude 1, cancel. I use the faces, this face, this face, this face, and this face. And I click OK. And now it's OK. So the circular pattern is very strange because you have to pay attention which feature you repeat in a circular way. Pay attention because with the when you have a feature that you cut, if you repeat, cut everything. So pay attention. Thank you.